Okay, this is what I would do if I was to start my YouTube channel all over again if I lost all 30,000 subscribers on my channel. Hello, my name is Justine, and I was able to attract thousands of people to my channel and get monetized in a couple of months within my first year. Now, if I was to lose all of my subscribers today, let's say for instance, I'm like starting from zero, what would I do different? Or maybe what would I do again? The first thing I think everybody, if you want to create a content, is to create a Gmail. A Gmail is connected to your YouTube channel. Don't believe me? I'm going to show you. You're going to go on google.com and then you're going to get a Gmail. And if you click these little dots in the corner, you're going to see that YouTube channel. You're going to click on YouTube and then you're going to realize that you have now a YouTube page. And then you're going to view your channel. Boom, there's your YouTube. Now, maybe you're like, okay, Justine, that's your YouTube channel. Like, how do I know that's actually true? Hold on. Let me show you. I've created a couple of Gmails. So right here is a YouTube channel that I don't have. So if we click here and go to view channel, see, there's nothing. So every Gmail has a YouTube channel, just in case you didn't believe me. The next thing I would do is think about who am I trying to target with my content? Who is my audience? What problem am I trying to solve? After you brainstorm a couple of those ideas, the next thing I would do is go on YouTube or even Google. Let's go on Google first. I would go on YouTube and type in something that your audience might be searching. Let's just say you're a makeup artist and you want to do how to do makeup. And all of these are things that people are already searching. I would click on the first one and see what videos are already out there. And I would do the same thing on YouTube. Seeing what works already when it comes to other YouTubers on the platform is the secret sauce of what to create next or first on your channel. These are the things that I would do if I lost 30,000 subscribers on my channel, because the content that I created was to help other people and what's searchable. Because if you treat YouTube like a search engine, it will work for you eventually. The problem that most content creators make when it comes to starting their channel is that they don't think about YouTube as a search engine. And then they wonder why that they're creating content for weeks, months, and sometimes years and not seeing traction. Stop looking at the people who are just creating content with millions of people and thinking like, oh my gosh, if they did it, why can't I? Their timing versus your timing is very different. And sometimes people jumped on a trend that was trending at that particular time and then it took off. So stop comparing yourself and focus on your journey. The next thing I would do is I would create a banner for my YouTube channel so that way people know why they should subscribe to their channel. I would use canva.com and I would search YouTube banner and then click on this to figure out any inspiration to use on your channel. You can also use Canva to create your thumbnails and optimize it that way as well. The last thing that I would do when it came down to starting my YouTube channel all over again is hit record. Hit record, create a video that's really high valuable, that's really going to solve someone's problem and really be searchable content on the platform. Then I would optimize my title, description, and tags to be able to match the thing that people are searching. So if someone's searching how to do makeup, I would create a thumbnail about maybe a makeup brush with me in the mirror and a title that says how to do makeup for beginners, and then making sure the description is matching that title and talking about even if you're a beginner, you can still do makeup just like a celebrity. Something along those lines. And then I would upload it, look at the analytics over time, and create more videos just the same way as I once did. And after all of that, I would look at the analytics and making sure to recreate videos that hold a lot of people's attention, because that is rewarded on YouTube and really basically any other platform. If you are like, yes, I'm going to do this, but I still need help, I have a training on my page where I walk you through step by step on how to optimize and get found in search, as I was able to do with multiple videos on my channel. I walk you through a way of doing it in a soft, feminine way with ease without getting burnt out by content creation and optimizing your videos so that way they are seen, so you're not wasting your time creating content that nobody watches. If you're interested and you want to attract your thousands of subscribers, get monetized, and share your gifts and talents with the world and be that inspiration, feel free to check out the training on my page. I'll see you there.